Glata, 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 glata. Hey everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'm back again in Serbia. So this video was done 2 days ago by Princ, and I'm just getting a chance to react to the official music video, and it's called Mila. So to all my beautiful Serbian people, I want to say much love to y'all. Lots of love from Jamaica. You know, I want to continue to show you all the love that you all deserve. You know, it's a pleasure to have you all here on my page. It's a pleasure to be a part of your, movement, right? I'm a big fan of Serbia, right? I do love you all so much. You guys are such great people, and the love that you guys shown, it's always so much to take in, and I do appreciate the love that you all have for me as a little Jamaican guy. Okay, so with this being said, let's hear what and let's see what's up with this video by Princ. Peace.
Neka bude mi to zadnja večera, nek oko Kerbera u noć me potera. Nek te probudi taj miris sećanja.
So this guy have a magical voice, right? He's this kind of guy that literally gets you in the mood to feel lovely, because his voice is like a magician, swinging his wand, right? It gives you the sensational feeling. So he's on his way to being a victorious person.
Moja muzika od tvoga imena. Mila, ti si platila što volim te ja. Mila, život vratila sa ruba. Ima mnogo razloga da ipak voliš drugoga. Tako mi je stalo da te čuvam. Nek te poljubi ko bolje slaže te.
So he's basically singing this song to Mila. You know, love is a very beautiful thing when you find it, right? It's essential. It's real. Like, love is something that when we feel it, we can literally embrace it. But if we do sit and to not feel love, we are empty. Then love won't get the chance to fill in that gap, because we won't allow the love to fill that gap. In this world where people is so dark, bro, and people is just so weird, people is just so all of them full of themselves, right? Nobody wants to love anyone no more. Everyone is just off for themselves. People think that love is just a curse, but it's definitely not, bro. Love is a thing that people can get, right? You can get love if you want to, right? And let it soak in. And if we do have someone we love, bro, let us all show them the love, bro. Let us not feel too complacent, right? Because love is very essential. And if we do lose that person, God forbid, then we all notice that love was real until it lost, bro. So let's continue.
A nek te dobije ko rizikuje sve. Mila, ti si platila što volim te ja. Mila, život vratila sa ruba. Ima mnogo razloga da ipak voliš drugoga. Tako mi je stalo da te čuvam.
Wow. Wow. What super voice. What enchantment. Yo, if this guy should sing to a woman, right? She'd be in a fluttery because of how this guy flatters her. The level of his voice is such a beautiful thing to listen to. He can sing really good, extraordinary vocals. He's a vocalist. Damn, bro. I gotta say, Serbians, you guys have some really good talent, especially for Prince. Embrace him, love him, tender care because he's making the country whole. I'm not sure if anybody knows about Prince in my country because I'm just getting the chance to learn about Prince, but bro, there are a lot more people out there in my country who would like to know of Prince. So show the love, bro. Show the love, man.
Mila, ti si platila što volim te ja. Mila, život vratila sa ruba. Ima mnogo razloga da ipak voliš drugoga, al tako mi je stalo da te čuvam. Ti si platila Mila. Ima mnogo
Cut up, cut up, cut up, cut up. What a stunning voice. Bro, this guy kills it. He kills it. Hey, Mila, look, I do hope you appreciate this guy's work, this guy's effort, because it's not everyone on this earth will show the effort that, Prince is showing you. So appreciate the effort that he's putting up, bro. The little things matters, bro. Trust me.
razloga da ipak voliš drugoga, al tako mi je stalo da te čuvam.
That was beautiful. Very beautiful. He sung to her diligently. Wow. I gotta say, that was an extraordinary song. Very extraordinary. But if you guys enjoy my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video, I think. Peace.